Kaden!
Whoa. 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 Daddy's got a big bone.
What?
Daddy's got a big bone. Oh, He's getting it. He's getting it. Oh, what is happening?
Bean's face?
Exactly like it.
Really? They really have, they waste. It's a lot of.
Yes.
You don't think that's neat?
Kaden, touch these.
Ow!
And then put your hand out.
Really cool.
No, it's like this is what the guy was doing. And then you can see the. Okay, Kaden. Do the temperatures, bud. Well, you got a red nose, Kaden. Wait. Okay, just give me one big crater.
Yeah, we had to figure it out, huh? Wow. That was intense.
Where's the cake?
I don't know what it is. For some reason, it's kind of cute.
Screen to do something.
I don't know, but it's not working.
What does it make?
Okay, Kaden. Just walk past it, bud.
There appeared and soothed Kochenako, saying, "Don't worry, my child. I will look after you, but I want you to do me a favor."
And then hit submit. Submit. It says touch a star to begin to reveal the constellation. Just touch one. Touch the pulsing star. I just can't imagine seeing one of those things flying around. You'd think it's totally a bird. Giant silkworm moths. Those are so pretty and so fuzzy. These are from Colombia, huh? Those are the ones that go
They're so cute.
pretty loud too.
What is it?
This is down in Colorado.
So we can go see these in real life?
Aquamarine. Really pretty. They got flame, all holding a flame, where the flames are on the wall, and that's how they're That's pretty nuts. Look at that. Oops. So that's pyrite but marine. Wow.
Yeah, that's my favorite too.
think that people can go out and find those treasures in the Colorado Mountains today.
That's weird to think that that's rock created from heat. It looks like marshmallows. Number 12, it just turns out to that clear thing. That's lame.
What is?
It's all opal, so it has that. It's like we're oh, look at that. It says found associated with lava flows in southern Brazil. It was formed when gas bubbles in the lava filled with quarks and impurities. Oh, that one fuzzy one back there? That's what we found at Cap Rock.
What do you mean?
The fuzzy one at the top.
Why does it got fake? You. Neat.
It gets dusty in these little pockets, even though they're locked in.
How?
Isn't that pretty? Is that this one?
Can you imagine just being in the wild, like just you and the elk?
I saw a video where all their hair came forward and it just revealed it was on their butt, and then they swing it.
Is there glass there? What's happening? Look over there. Oh, you can actually get him?
Oh, really? But
Oh, this is what Ben thought we were swimming with?
Yeah, Ben, this. seals before, and they are incredible.
These?
Yes.
They got big.
My favorite ones are like, I like the ones that are like these are.
We saw these guys at the zoo, didn't we? And see. Look at those birds. Oh, the birds.
Kaden built his own nest. He's a big bird. Well,
You're recording the sounds of trees. Oh, I guess you do meditation.
so we just found the best display here.
So
The baby's like,
cool. Whoa. Daddy does look like he's about to dip.
Can it fall?
I don't think so.